Now let's take a look at this figure 21-4, and it kind of deals with areas considered to be a Class 2 Division 2 location when under abnormal conditions your equipment could leak dust, and dust would collect in layers over an eighth of an inch thick, or dust clouds where, they presented a problem, as we previously stated. Basically, if you can see 3 to 5 foot and things are discernible to you, then usually you're not in an area where a dust cloud would be in explosive range. And again, the old method used, if you could stick your arm out and see your thumb, usually you're not in an area. But you also always should take caution when you're around walking into a dust cloud, or you have layers gathering on your equipment that's over of an inch thick. Now that comes from NFPA 499. So in the illustration, you see areas listed there where the bullets are that could be considered a Class 2 Division 2 area, such as warehouses, shipping rooms, where dust producing materials are stored. In other words, dust only might get loose when you're moving a product, stored. This dust that could create a dust cloud, or layers could occur. So it's under, again, abnormal conditions, just as Class 1 Division 2 is. Class 2 Division 2 falls under the same rule that we would be reviewing there. So that's what our figure 21-4 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.